Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to transform your body in a healthy way, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our tips on mastering the human body. Today, we're diving into a common issue: gaining a healthy weight for skinny people. It's frustrating to eat loads and not see the scales tip, but today you'll learn why and how to effectively gain weight. First up, eat more food. Sounds simple, right? But consuming more calories than your body burns is crucial. Many skinny people underestimate how fast their metabolism works. Start by tracking your calorie intake with an app or a food diary. This will help you understand how much more you need to eat to start gaining weight. Next, it's vital to track your progress. Weigh yourself weekly and note the changes. Don't get discouraged if progress seems slow initially. It takes time for your body to adapt to more food and begin storing it as mass. If you don't see an increase, it's a sign to further boost your calorie intake. Number 3 is to increase your protein intake. Protein is essential for muscle building and recovery. Aim for at least 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight daily. Great sources include whole eggs, chicken breast, tuna, cheese, and steak. Remember, muscle mass contributes to a healthier weight gain. Try eating smaller, more frequent meals. If you need 1,500 calories a day, it's easier to eat 5 300-calorie meals than 3 larger ones. This helps you manage hunger better and keeps your energy levels steady. Plan your meals to fit within the 16 waking hours of your day. Lastly, incorporate weight training into your routine. Lifting weights not only helps in adding muscle mass, but also ensures that the extra calories are used to build your body, rather than just adding fat. Plus, the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn at rest, helping further with weight gain. To wrap up, gaining healthy weight involves more than just eating. It requires a strategic approach to diet and exercise. Keep persistent, adjust as needed, and soon you'll see the results you aim for. For more daily health hacks, stay tuned to our channel. Thanks for watching.